What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Oregon Out. Today we're somewhere in the middle of the woods, getting lost. I think it's about a 5-mile hike up to a lake up there. So it'll be a 10-mile round trip hike. There's going to be a lot of waterfalls along the way. It's a partly sunny day. It seems like it's going to be a great day. It's a great, clear creek, beautiful day. Everything's beautiful, beautiful Oregon. Let's go explore Oregon today. Am I going to stop at every cute little waterfall along the way and record it? Probably not. I'll get tired of them after a while, but here's another nice little one. Right here we got a small little cool waterfall. There'll probably be a lot of these along the hike. These are the best type of hikes in Oregon, where it's just like, where's the path? It's wherever I want the path to be. I know I'm going to follow the river to get back the car, so you just go exploring out in the woods, and you see beautiful waterfalls, and you're not going to get lost. See, this right here is why you follow this stream. This log across the river, it's just a great color, beautiful water dropping. I love it. Alright, so I'm going to give you guys a tip today. Always bring a rain jacket, especially when hiking in the mountains. It's currently raining out a little. It's not that bad, but it might get worse. So this is why you bring your rain jacket. It has all of a sudden just started to hail out here on us, so it keeps you dry, which keeps you warm. So I just say you should bring a rain jacket. This is really starting to come down right now. Oh wow, doesn't that look fun? I think that right there is actually a water slide on this little creek. What are you right here? It's a little osprey. I mean, wow. Really, come on. Can you just stop, Oregon? Can you just, like, what is this? Another amazing waterfall. I really don't know what to say anymore. You have an amazing waterfall right here. And then look what you have above it. Another one. I mean, come on, Oregon. What do you do when you see a really cool waterfall? You find a way to get to it. Another mini waterfall right here. And then on the other side, a drop off into a valley with another waterfall. There are just waterfalls all over the place on this trail. That's why I think I'm going to call this waterfall trail. This is also a bridge right here. It seems kind of like a good place to stop this episode, because I'd probably remember where it was. And I might start from the top and go down next time. Because my phone's at 15%, because there's been a lot of amazing waterfalls I've been seeing along the way, taking photos. It's been nice. So yeah, thanks for watching, and see you next week on Oregon Out.